as you can see, we're at the dog park again. Kind of our favorite place to be. Throwing the ball, taking some runs, getting rid of some energy. Because the Psycho twins, right there, need to get rid of their energy. All right, bring it. Where are you? Drop it. It's a chilly Sunday. I think it's about -14, -15. Fresh powder snow, a centimeter-ish. I got a great neighbor. He went by with his leaf blower and blew the snow off the sidewalk. So I scattered some de-icer, because I'm a nice guy too. Are you ready? Look at your face. They're good girls. They really are. You can hear Piper. All she does is bark. So that's us. That's us. That's what we do at the dog park. We run around. We have fun. We chase the ball. We used to kick up snow dust. And we have fun. That's the main thing. Just being the dogs together. Out in the cold. It's awesome. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. Love it.